Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Creative Process. In today's video, we're going to look at how you can convert your simple image into this. Here is 32 fantastic Photoshop templates, which is super easy to use. It's very simple. Just click and drag and drop it and it will be applied immediately. You can just look at these wide variety of effects that has been created by applying these effects. So it looks amazing, right? Today we're going to be looking at some of these templates from this bundle, that is Watercolour Art or Sketch Art, and we'll apply it to your image and look at how it holds up when you apply it to any image you like. So let's get started. But before we begin, thanks to Artisty.com for sponsoring this video, and thanks to you guys for making this possible. Artisty offer you the best deal for design bundles, fonts and graphics. For Photoshop users, it's an amazing place. You get Photoshop action, templates, graphics, add-ons, fonts, mock-ups, brush, bundles and much more. It's very useful, so check out the link in the description. So now let's get back to our video. Here is some watercolor art as well. This one is watercolor art. This one is sketch art, ink art and much more. So let me show you some of the files. So let's open this one, image similar to this. So I want to apply this one. This is watercolor art, and this one is 113. So let's see where it is. 113. So let's open 113. Okay, I'll just open it in Photoshop. Okay, and here's a file. So this is the file, and here you can see some nice pattern here. This is the text, this one is top paper, this one is some pattern, and this is photo effects layer. So here we got all these layers, individual layers. Here are some ink patches. This one, we got some nice small particles, then we got some this one, and we got the background color as well. So these are all the color patches. Now to add a photo over here, we got this layer. We can just double click on it and we'll add a photo over here. So let's choose a photo, nice photo. Let's choose a lady with a cap. So I'll just drag and drop. Let's scale it up and fill the region and press enter. Now I'll just file and save it. So save the file over here. And if you see our main file, you can see that our image has been converted to watercolor art. Very simple, it looks amazing. So if you want to customize it, we got all these layers. We got this one, photo effect layer. So we'll go over here and let's see what else we can do. So we got some filter gallery. Okay, right, this is giving that nice details texture of the image. Okay, this one is the overall image. So these two are the layers. I'll go to my filter gallery, right, and I'll just work on these. So there it is. You can just adjust the details. You want to add it more depth, thick, or you want to give it a little thin. So it's on you. So let me choose. So I think I feel like this one, and this one is the darkness. So I'll just keep it to and click OK. And here we go. We got that nice details. I want to do some adjustments with the skin as well. So I'll just go over here and double click, and here it is. Now we can adjust the so this adjust the number of layers of the painting. So you want to, if you want to make it a little bit flat, you can do that, or a little bit of details, something like that, with a minimal color, or you can with the full details over here. We'll keep it something like this. Let's see what it looks like. With this you can adjust the edge simplicity. Right now you can see it's a little bit of like brush stroke style, but if you make it simpler, it will turn into cubicle, something like that, and it looks amazing, right? Let's test it out, something like that. And edge fidelity, let's see. Okay, so this one, it's modifying the shape a little bit of like rough, and if I click OK, you can see that the color is something like this, and it looks amazing. And we can go in here and you can edit more details. So if you want to remove this background, you can do that. You can add or remove background over here, something like that. And I feel that it looks great. And I'll add this pattern try as well. So with this pattern I can add that nice color combination there. I'll just reduce the opacity just to make it a little bit fill, something like that. It looks amazing, right? I'll just go back to this filter gallery for this one, and I'll just add that details a little bit, okay, around 7, and I'll reduce the simplicity, so make it a little bit 2, and this one around this much, and click OK. And I think this one feels great. So here's the first photo effect, very simple, very easy. And let's check few more. So I'll go over here and let's say this one. You want to add a nice portrait, create a nice watercolor art for your dog. So let's say you like this. So this is 111. I'll just open that photo effect. So I'll go over here, templates, and 111. I'll just look for 111 template. So here's the 111, double click on it, and here we go, it's open. Now I'll just go into this and I'll just add my dog image. Here it is. I'll just drag and drop, fill up the area, enter, and I'll just remove the background. So selecting this selection layer, that's object selection tool, and select the subject and remove the background. So very simple. Now I'll just save it, Command Control S, and once you have saved the file, we'll go over here and you see that it looks amazing. If you feel like the dog image is the dog is a little bit of larger in size, we'll go back to here and reduce the image, Command Control T, reduce the size of the dog and place it around here and press enter. Okay, and Control S, file, go to save, and it will be saved. And now I'll go to my file, and here we go. And if you want to do some more adjustments, we got that, like all these layers. So I'll go to pattern. So we got this pattern image, we can add that, and this is the whole design folder. So this is the stroke. We'll go over filter gallery and we'll increase the stroke. So we'll increase the details, or maybe something like this, and okay, something like that. I think this is fine. We'll need to do some adjustments over here, under here, and we'll go over here. Okay, so here is our dog image. We'll make it simpler. I'm just adjusting the edge thickness, right, and the edge intensity. Okay, how much detail you want to give, around this much, and posterization. So this one, I'll adjust the posterization, something like that, and I'll keep it that way and click OK. Okay, this looks great. Now if you want to edit the background, you can just hide this, or maybe okay, or you can just make sure you reduce the opacity of the layer, which we don't want to make it visible 100%, and I think it looks great. So this is the second photo effect template, and it's very simple. You just apply it and it will be applied, and all these layers are easily customizable, editable, and you can edit and create your own watercolor art very easy. Let's see a few more. Or let's say you want to add a sketch, something like this. You want to create a sketch, this one. So let me open this. It's 103. So I'll just look for 103. Okay, we'll go open it in Photoshop. Right, and now let's add an image first. So I'll just go over here and let's choose an image for this. So we'll go to our image collection. Let's say you like this image, drag and drop. Okay, this looks good, and we'll keep it something like this and enter. Now go to file and save this, and it will automatically save this. And if you go to our file, here it is, it's sketch format, and it looks good. Now if you want to customize it, you can just easily go in here, right? You can add some color shade to the sketch, something like this, but we'll keep it plain. And this one is the adjustment, so eject. So we'll go over here and let's see. Okay, and okay, so this one, make it brighter. So I'll just go here, you can double click on that and increase the contrast if you want, and the brightness, something like that. Okay, now we'll go to our second black and white here. Okay, this is for shade, this one is for photo outline. So we'll go over here and let's see the outline. So we'll go to filter gallery, and here it is. We can adjust the outline, So you want to keep it thin or thicker. I think this one is good, and we'll adjust the darkness value, make it a little bit more darker, and press OK. Next we'll go to photo effect. Okay, here let's adjust it. So we got that nice filter. Okay, double click on there. This is adjusting the darkness and the brightness value. So make sure our face is brighter and our hair is darker, that's all, and click OK. So finally all these layers, by adjusting that, we got this nice sketch effect of a lady. You can easily go in there and choose a different image. Let's say you choose this one, fill it up, enter, file, save, and we'll go to our file, and here we go. Such an amazing sketch effect. You can see all the details and all these shading effect applied to this image, and it looks so amazing, realistic sketch effect. So here is a various photo effects bundles, which is an excellent collection of Photoshop templates. Using this you can create amazing photo effects, and it's easily customizable because each of the layers has been bundled up in groups with the names, so you can go in there and easily customize it. And if you're interested in something like this, you can just go to artist.com and you'll find a collection of design bundles, fonts and graphics. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to check out the next video coming up, and if you want more updates on designing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.